Have you ever wanted to grow wasabi at home? This unique plant is not only famous for its flavor, but also its challenges. Today, we'll show you step-by-step how to grow wasabi from seed. Wasabi, known for its spicy kick, requires specific conditions. It thrives in cool, moist environments. Growing it from seed might seem daunting, but we'll simplify it for you. First, gather necessary materials: fresh wasabi seeds, seed trays, quality soil, and water. Choose a location with indirect sunlight and good air circulation. Begin by filling seed trays with soil. Ensure it's moist but not soggy. Sprinkle seeds evenly across the surface. Cover them lightly with soil, roughly 1/4 inch deep. Now, water them gently. Make sure the soil remains consistently moist. Avoid overwatering, as this can cause seeds to rot. Next, place your trays in a cool spot. Ideal temperatures range between 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Sporadically check for moisture, maintaining a damp environment. After about 2 to 4 weeks, you should see tiny sprouts. When the seedlings develop 2 to 3 leaves, it's time to transplant them. Carefully lift each seedling and place them in larger pots. Use nutrient-rich soil for the new pots. Continue to keep the soil moist but well-drained. Wasabi thrives in shady areas, so keep them out of direct sunlight. As they grow, monitor their health. Watch out for pests and diseases common to plants. Ensure they have enough space to grow. Ideally, keep a distance of 12 inches between each plant. Once they reach maturity, which takes about 18 months, you can begin to harvest. The rhizomes, which are the wasabi parts used in cooking, develop underground. For an example, imagine enjoying fresh wasabi with your next sushi night. The flavor is unbeatable when it's freshly harvested. To summarize, growing wasabi from seeds requires careful attention and patience. Start with quality seeds, maintain proper moisture, and provide cool conditions. With dedication, you'll soon enjoy homegrown wasabi. Are you ready to try this at home? Subscribe for more gardening tips and follow our journey. Happy planting!